The benefits of oil-free air compressors. Oil-free air compressors have become a necessity for certain industries such as hospitals, the food industry, pharmaceutical companies and semiconductor manufacturers, but more and more other industrial manufacturers are realizing the benefits of switching to oil-free air compressors. Using an oil-free air compressor can provide the highest quality air for your manufacturing needs. In doing so, you can significantly reduce the negative environmental impact of your operations. Eliminate harmful emissions, conserve natural resources and obtain a clean, reliable and cost-effective source of air supply. In addition to the positive impact on the environment, switching to an oil-free air compressor can have a significant impact on your cost of ownership. Oil-free compressors can reduce operating costs by eliminating the cost of collecting and disposing of oil-containing condensate, eliminating the cost of replacing air/oil separator elements and the downstream filtration required to remove oil mist, eliminating oil contamination and costly desiccant replacement in regenerative air dryers, eliminate the potential for compressed airline fires caused by oil residue, eliminate the cost of product damage, lost production and reputation damage, eliminate high energy costs. QIIR specializes in all types of air compressors, and oil-free air compressors are our star product. We would be happy to learn about your air compression needs to confirm if switching to oil-free air is right for you. If you already have oil-free air compressors, we can service it and provide you with the parts you need. We have technicians experienced in the field of air compressors. Feel free to contact us.